collecting the data, storage data, memory, a server? Yes. Depends upon the capacity, depends upon the capability of the user, depends upon the capability of the publisher also. We need to know that what should be. For example, you might have seen the CCTV. So CCTV 24/7 collects the data. When it collects the data, it becomes very much huge data and your memory will be occupied. So the data will be full. When data is full, we have to, every time we have to change its memory sizes. We have to predict how much data we need for one day. How much data we will be collecting. One camera, 10 camera, hundreds camera. That here also, in IoT also, not only single device, n number of devices will be collecting the data, the storing the data, they will be accessing the data. So we need to know that the velocity and storage, not only publishing, not only accessing and managing in between these two also is very important. So for that particular purpose, there are various storages are there, various cloud services are there. One of them is, and many of madam may be aware of that, called ThingSpeak. Yes, many of you may be aware. ThingSpeak, for all our academicians, we are using ThingSpeak. Another one is called Blink. There are clouds. And Azure. Another one is called Amazon Web Services. These are the cloud platforms we are basically using these days. So the cloud computing is simply collecting the data. Whatever the data generated, everything is stored, everything is being used. Not only other people, you can also must be able to use it. So background is basically computing environment, connect over the internet, make it as a client server model and give the respective performance. Not only one cloud, all clouds can be connected together. It's like a storage and service provider, but it becomes very powerful because again, there are different versions are there. I am not teaching the cloud systems to you, but it is like again different configurations of the cloud will be there. So again, you can simply say that cloud will be managed by a cloud service manager. Depends upon what kind of cloud access need to be given. One-way access or two-way access, bidirectional or unidirectional. Depends upon the type of services we need to give access. You can see here, access to the service, pay for usage and apply for the resources. Again, the same thing here. Publisher side, subscriber side. But I would like to publish a data to you. You have to pay me, for example, DTH. How television channels will be earning? Because this cloud fellow is paying them. Your Amazon Prime is there. Your Netflix is there. How the respective movie maker collects the money? Amazon Prime buys from them. Publisher. He collects money from all subscribers and he earns it. So depends upon again the cloud platform will be different. Okay? The service model depends upon IaaS, the infrastructure as a service. There are different types of clouds again, my friends. IaaS model, infrastructure as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, software as a service. I'll let you know one small glitch between these three things. First one is infrastructure, only storage, only service, only the devices. But data is not belongs to him. He provides only the application, services. Another one is that the platform, software. It's like a system. It's like a software. Another one is called the software as a service. Use the respective email is a software as a service. For the emailing, for the WhatsApp, the software. So software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. The platform here, the difference between platform as a service or Android is there is. Without Android your mobile phone works? No. It is a platform. So who will pay to the Android? We are paying. The apps also will be paid. Apps are not free to keep on the what is that? Cloud. It is not free. Play Store. It is not free. People have to pay to keep that app into the Play Store. People have to pay. Then only users will download it and they use it. So platform as a service, software as a service, as well as the infrastructure as a service. So as you can see here, my dear friends, infrastructure service provider E2C, EC2, S3, Bluelock. There are the App Engine, Azure, AWS. There is iCloud, Dropbox, and Docs. Email also can be taken care over there. So IoT, platform IoT can be divided into these three requirements. So again, the same thing here, sensor, clerk, publisher, broker, subscriber. So again, same thing, I don't want to go into this one. Okay, let us stop here. So quickly take a break. Quickly come back, huh? 5 minutes only, take the tea and come back.